What if I told you AI is already making decisions that affect your daily life, even before you wake up? Here are 10 amazing AI facts in under 2 minutes. AI isn't actually intelligent like humans. It doesn't think or feel. It recognizes patterns and makes predictions based on data. Every time you watch recommendations on YouTube, Netflix, or Spotify, AI is working behind the scenes to learn what you like. AI can now detect some diseases from medical images with accuracy comparable to trained specialists in specific tasks, helping doctors make faster decisions. Self-driving cars use AI to recognize roads, traffic signs, pedestrians, and other vehicles, all in real time. AI can generate realistic images, music, videos, and even write stories in computer code within seconds. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use AI to understand your speech and respond to your questions. AI helps farmers monitor crops, predict weather patterns, and use water and fertilizer more efficiently. Banks use AI to detect suspicious transactions and help prevent fraud before it causes major losses. AI doesn't replace every job. It also creates new careers in areas like machine learning, robotics, AI safety, and data science. The future of AI depends on humans. The technology is becoming more powerful, but people still guide how it's designed, used, and regulated. Which AI fact surprised you the most? Comment below, hit like, and follow for more fascinating Go facts.